everyone, welcome to Kids African Drum course. Today I'm going to teach you the first class of binary calling and respond exercise 2. We're still going to play it the same as last time, which is 1 2 3 4 pattern by 1 2 1 2 pattern. The first beat for the caller is 4 basses and the responder is 2 slaps like this. Then you got it? Now let's play it twice together. Ready? 5 6 7 go. Good. Now you'll be calling while I respond. Ready? 5 6 7 go. Good. Now I'll be calling you 4 times while you respond. Then after we exchange, you call me 4 times while I respond. Are you ready? 5 6 7 go. Good. Let's try again. 5 6 7 go. Good. This is the end of binary calling and respond exercise 2. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that next time you'll see our new videos. And also to share with your friends and families too. See you next time. Goodbye.